Good afternoon. I'm Sherman Chow. Japanese officials confirming 99 more people on a quarantined cruise ship are infected with the coronavirus, bringing the total now to 454. Nancy Chen explains 300 Americans flown back to the U.S. are now in quarantine, including a fresh group in Texas. 14 have tested positive for the virus.
Crews in protective suits greeted Americans as they arrived at Lackland Air Force Base in Texas early Monday, shortly after another plane full of evacuees landed at Travis Air Force Base in California. They all left the Diamond Princess cruise ship, quarantined off Japan, which now has more than 450 cases of the coronavirus. Cheryl and Paul Molesky were among the evacuated Americans.
We're exhausted, but we're on the plane, and that's a good feeling.
The State Department says 14 of the evacuees have tested positive for the illness, but showed no signs of symptoms. Those passengers were held in isolation on the flights and will continue to be isolated.
You could be infected and have minimal symptoms, but you still have the possibility of transmitting it to someone else.
The other returning travelers will be under a 14-day quarantine at the military bases. Not all Americans evacuated. Some stayed on the ship, including the husband of Rebecca Frazier of Oregon. She's being treated for the virus in a hospital in Tokyo.
It's a strain mentally, emotionally. We have lives to get back home, and I get that they need to make sure that we're clear. But once we're clear, we need to go home.
There's also an issue with another cruise ship, the Westerdam in Cambodia. Health officials are working to track down more than 2,000 passengers and crew members who got off the ship. They had been given the all clear, but then an American woman who had been a passenger tested positive for the virus. Nancy Chen, CBS News, New York.
And police in Hong Kong now searching for 3 robbers who held a truck driver at knife point to steal 600 rolls of toilet paper. The coronavirus outbreak is causing hoarding across Hong Kong, many waiting in long lines to stock up on essentials like TP. Even with rationing, store shelves are emptying faster than stores can restock.